Top 5 Best Wood Lathes for Beginners. Number 5. Grizzly Industrial T25920 Variable Speed Benchtop Wood Lathe. The Grizzly Industrial T25920 is a beginner-friendly lathe that offers excellent value for its price. Its 12-inch turning radius and ability to handle spindles up to 16.5 inch in length provide plenty of versatility for small to medium-sized projects. With variable speeds ranging from 300 to 3,700 RPM, this lathe covers a wide range of turning tasks, from delicate detailing to more robust shaping. What sets this model apart is the digital spindle speed indicator, allowing users to keep track of RPMs easily, which is particularly beneficial for beginners who may not yet have a feel for different speeds. The lathe is built with stability in mind, reducing vibration during use and providing a smooth turning experience, even for novice users. This lathe is also noted for its ease of assembly and intuitive setup. Many first-time users report being able to get it up and running within half an hour, making it an ideal choice for beginners who may not want to spend a lot of time on complicated setup procedures. The T25920 is an excellent option for hobbyists looking for a straightforward, affordable, and reliable wood lathe that performs well for a wide range of tasks. Coming in number 4, Rockler Excelsior 5-Speed Mini Lathe. The Rockler Excelsior 5-Speed Mini Lathe is a fantastic entry-level lathe, especially for those with space constraints. Despite its compact size, it has a robust half-a-horsepower motor and a cast-iron construction that minimizes vibration and increases stability during use. It can handle bowls up to 10 inches in diameter and spindles up to 17.75 inches in length, making it ideal for small furniture legs and decorative pieces. The lathe offers 5 speed settings: 760, 1100, 1600, 2200, and 3200 RPM, providing flexibility depending on the project at hand. Beginners will appreciate the easy access to the belt for speed changes, ensuring that you can switch settings quickly without much fuss. The cast iron body enhances durability and stability, a crucial feature for those just getting accustomed to woodturning. This mini lathe also includes a precision machined ball bearing live center, which ensures smooth operation and reduces the risk of damaging workpieces during turning. Rockler's focus on safety is evident in its design, and the clear instructions for adjusting speeds are helpful for beginners still learning the ropes. The Excelsior is compact, durable, and reliable, making it an excellent first lathe for hobbyists and new woodturners alike. Coming in number 3, Laguna Tools Revo Lathe Mlarevo 1836-110. The Laguna Tools Revo Lathe is a premium option that brings a level of sophistication and power to woodturning. Its ergonomic design is one of its most striking features, with a control panel made from anodized aluminum and a sleek digital readout for precise RPM control. This lathe is not just functional, it's designed to enhance your woodturning experience from both a performance and aesthetic standpoint. A significant advantage of this model is its steel bed, which ensures smooth movement for the cast iron headstock, making it one of the more durable and long-lasting options on the market. The VFD, variable frequency drive, converts single-phase input to 3-phase output, providing plenty of torque even at lower speeds. Beginners may find this feature particularly helpful when working on complex or larger projects, where maintaining torque at lower speeds is crucial. The Laguna Revo also features a quick-release handle for easy speed changes, adding to the user-friendly experience. Ergonomically designed handles with cam locks ensure a firm grip without any deflection, enhancing precision and comfort during operation. While this lathe may be more of an investment compared to others, its high-quality build and features make it a standout choice for beginners serious about woodturning. Coming in number 2, Jet JWL1015 VS Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe. The Jet JWL1015 VS offers excellent features for both beginners and seasoned woodturners. Its electronic variable speed control is a significant advantage, particularly for those new to woodturning. You can adjust the speed without switching belts, which simplifies the learning curve for first-timers. With a range of speeds and a 15-inch capacity between centers, this lathe is versatile enough to handle a variety of projects. One of the things users rave about is the machine's smooth and quiet operation, which is a significant plus for beginners who may be intimidated by noisy, rattling tools. The lathe's build quality is exceptional, providing stability without needing to bolt it to a workbench. The tailstock is easy to adjust, and the overall design is user-friendly, offering a hassle-free experience for anyone just getting into woodturning. Another bonus is its portability. Though it's sturdy, the Jet JWL1015 VS is relatively compact, making it suitable for small workshops or limited spaces. The short distance between centers may raise concerns for some users, but the tailstock's easy slide-off design allows for more freedom when working on larger bowls or vessels. Coming in number 1, WEN 34035 Variable Speed Benchtop Wood Lathe. The WEN 34035 is a robust choice for beginners looking to dive into woodturning. It handles workpieces up to 20 inches long and 14 inches wide, offering flexibility for various projects. One of its standout features is the variable speed, adjustable from 250 to 3,550 rotations per minute, making it suitable for different types of turning tasks. The lathe comes with a 4-inch faceplate, perfect for turning bowls, cups, and other similar workpieces. This lathe's solid 120+ pound build ensures stability and minimizes wobbling during operation, a common concern for beginners. The MT2 spindle and tailstock tapers provide a secure hold on workpieces, while the 8-inch tool rest offers substantial support for chisels and other tools during use. Its lever clamping system for the tool rest and tailstock adds to the ease of use and precision in adjustments. The package includes a range of useful accessories like a spur center, live center, 4 hex wrenches, a flat wrench, a knockout rod, and an onboard accessory holder. The 6-amp motor ensures that even challenging materials are manageable, making this lathe an ideal entry-level machine. Plus, it comes with a 2-year warranty and customer support, reassuring buyers of its quality and longevity.